Is trouble mounting for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal? The Enforcement Directorate to file a charge sheet against Arvind Kejriwal by Friday. That's tomorrow in the next 24 hours. Enforcement Directorate to name Arvind Kejriwal possibly as an accused in this charge sheet. That could become a huge concern for the sitting Chief Minister and for Aam Aadmi Party's convener if he is mentioned as an accused in the ED charge sheet. Because this will be the first time that Kejriwal will be mentioned as an accused in the liquor excise policy case. The policy that was taken back, but by then it had led to a huge corruption case against the AP leaders. ED will name Kejriwal and has already mentioned him as a kingpin, remember, a key conspirator, but to be mentioned officially in the terms, in the jargon as an accused, that could actually pose a problem for the sitting CM. Supreme Court is likely to hear the case tomorrow as well. Remember the interim bail order that wasn't cleared about 2 days ago when the hearing was still on. Munish Pandey gets us the latest from the newsroom on this. Munish, because if he's mentioned as an accused in the charge sheet, it could become very difficult for him to continue as a sitting chief minister, isn't it? So there will be a lot of political future at stake. What is happening and how will the ED want to ensure they want to mention him as an accused, not just in any other lighter terms?
Well, Pooja, at this point of time, we have been given to understand is that the Enforcement Directorate will be filing a charge sheet against Arvind Kejriwal tomorrow before the Rouse Avenue Court. And what is important here is for the first time, Arvind Kejriwal will be named as accused in any ED's charge sheet as far as the liquor excise policy case is concerned. Remember earlier also his name was mentioned but not as an accused, but this time there will be specific charges against Arvind Kejriwal in the charge sheet. And what we do know at this point of time is that Arvind Kejriwal, the allegations against Arvind Kejriwal by the Enforcement Directorate will be that he is one of the main conspirators in the case. He is the kingpin of the entire money laundering, and also we have learned from our sources within the Enforcement Directorate that ED has established the money trail as far as this entire 100 crore rupees of bribery is concerned with Arvind Kejriwal. So trouble seems to be mounting for Arvind Kejriwal. Remember, according to procedure, ED can file a charge sheet within 60 days. But this time, the charge sheet will be filed within 50 days. And why ED is doing it? Because ED wants to ensure that Arvind Kejriwal should not get any interim relief from the Supreme Court. And tomorrow it is going to be extremely important because one hand, the ED will be filing charge sheet against Arvind Kejriwal in the lower court, but in the apex court, before the Supreme Court, the matter of his interim bail is likely to come. It is going to be an action-packed day for Arvind Kejriwal, but for now, Arvind Kejriwal, trouble seems to be mounting for Arvind Kejriwal because ED is all set to file a charge sheet against him, naming him as a prime accused in the case. Pooja.
So, Munish, tell me this, because there's been Sanjay Singh who was earlier arrested. Manish Sisodia continues to be for more than a year in custody. How does then the focus now come in on Arvind Kejriwal while there are others also who have been taken into custody in this case?
Well, remember, Manish Sisodia is in jail from, last year, February.
Yes,
as far
February
as
2020.
Sanjay Singh is concerned, remember, he was given bail by the Supreme Court. But as far as all this case is concerned, the charges against Arvind Kejriwal are very specific. In the remand copy, ED mentioned him as a kingpin. In the remand copy, ED also mentioned that the bribe money which came to Aam Aadmi Party was spent in Goa elections, and for that they have alleged that Arvind Kejriwal is a person who was well aware that Hawala route is being operated to route this entire 100 crore rupees of bribery which was given by the South Cartel represented by K. Kavita, and that is why K. Kavita was also arrested just days before when Arvind Kejriwal was placed under arrest by the Enforcement Directorate. A charge sheet being filed against Arvind Kejriwal is going to be very troubling, Pooja, because there is a high possibility that even Aam Aadmi Party may be named as accused in the case, maybe tomorrow or, at a later stage, but there is a high possibility that Aam Aadmi Party will be named as accused in the case because during the court proceedings, what ED maintained that Aam Aadmi Party was working as a private company, as a Hawala company, and that is how the money was being routed. And Pooja, if that happens, this will be for the first time in the history that any national party will be named as accused in any corruption case. In history, it has never happened. So it is not only trouble for Arvind Kejriwal, the trouble is also for Manish Sisodia, but the biggest trouble is going to be for the Aam Aadmi Party, because once Aam Aadmi Party is named as an accused, then there is a high possibility that their fundings, their donations, their bank accounts, everything will be frozen.
This is going to be a very big issue because
also can be seized.
This is not just about the legal case, it's not only about the bail anymore. If and when the charge sheet is filed, if Arvind Kejriwal gets mentioned as an accused, that could then also raise questions to his political appointments and continued specifically campaigning and other issues in the election time.